next 받침, I will call them g family or gun family, if you don't mind me saying gun. 자, a plus g, 악. Apparently, a plus k, it's still 악. It's not ak, it's just ak. Same. A plus double g is also ak. 자, this is another reason why you should not study Korean with English alphabet. In Korean language, the 받침 are closed sound. G is looking like this, g, right? So, make your tongue shape like this and use this part to close your throat. So, close the sound. Ak, ak. So, it's not ag, it's just ak. If you're going to say like this, then you're gonna say something like ak. The smoke is coming out. That's not how Korean 받침 works. Korean 받침 is closed sound, so you have to close your throat. Ak. Close it. Make your tongue looking like g, and use this part to close your throat. Ak. The last one is also same. It's just ak. Even though they look different, still they sound the same. But when it comes to spell things, you still have to spell them like this. Many of you would think that like, oh, then like, why would you make those words spelling like that? Just spell it this way, like blue. Why would you have to spell it like red? But there are reasons for that. We are going to study that in our next lesson. To understand the reason why we still have to spell them like red, you have to know the grammar rules called 여는, which means linking sound. I'm going to talk about it in our next lesson. Anyway, now we have double D here, double D and 어, 떠, and g ending. 떡, 떡. I think many of you have tried 떡볶이. 떡, this rice cake. 볶이 is like frying. 떡볶이 is that famous Korean dish. B and U, 부, and then 어, k, 부엌, 부엌. So 부엌 means kitchen. And we have this b, a, 바, and then double g. Still sounds just like g. So it's 박, 박. 박 means outside. Now we have these two slangs using g ending. First, we have 주먹, 주먹, which means fist. 주먹. 마운자로 is something that will make you lose weight. It's really expensive. Not many people can afford 마운자로. Korean beauty standard, we think that girls look prettier when they're skinny. So everyone wants to lose weight. Those people who wants to lose weight but still can't afford the 마운자로, they use their 주먹 to hit themselves whenever they want to eat something. So let's say I want to lose like 5 pounds, but then I should not be eating those cookies right now, but I really want those cookies. Then I hit myself and, hey, Charlie, 정신 차려, you can't eat this. So it's 주먹자로. Are you familiar with this 3 words? Which is angry again, right? So it must be something that is related to your anger. The previous one was angry bang bang, right? But it's 빡, 빡. So this is shorter and more intense. I'm again telling you, I'm not 영크크, I'm a 늘크크, so I don't know, and I also don't use this in my real life daily conversation. I did a lot of research to introduce you these words to make you insta in Korea and hoping you guys make a lot of 친구 in Korea. It's gonna be your job to find out if Korean 영크크 people actually use this. So anyway, for me, it sounds like more intense version of saying angry goody bang bang. So it's angry 빡빡. 받침 b, p. I would call it 받침 black pink b, p.